This is our self-driving robot system and test field. The idea of this robot is to localize itself and then drive to waypoints that you want it to go to. Looking around the field here, we've got 6 beacons with 3 RGB LEDs in different orders, and then our robot. The robot has a computer vision camera, an ultrasonic sensor to detect if it's going to hit something, and then 2 microprocessors on it. When the robot is turned on, it will spin around and localize itself using the computer vision and the known locations of all the beacons. The robot has been turned on. It originally thinks it is at the coordinate 0, 0, and it begins spinning around trying to use the beacons to localize itself. As it spins, it sees the beacon, so now it knows where it's at and what direction it's pointing. So it begins to drive to the green tape painted on the floor, updating itself the entire way there. Once it gets to that point, it turns around and begins to move towards the next point, which is this green spot over here. As the robot moves, it continuously picks up the LEDs and tracks itself with the encoders in the motor to begin to understand where it is positionally on the grid of the floor. Getting to that point right on, it begins to move towards this socket in the floor. You can fairly easily update the waypoints you want it to go to, and you could move around these LEDs just updating their positions if you wanted to create a new grid.